All right, hey, ladies and gentlemen, Micah here, just sharing a quick tip. I'm sure there's probably many other videos about how to clean your keyboard, or maybe fine electronics and stuff like that. There's different things you might need for different devices, but I'm just talking about the regular keyboard, how they get debris in between and underneath here. Maybe you want to take the keys off, or you're gonna get more involved and take it apart and do all that, which would be nice. But the debris that gets stuck down in the bottom, the floor of the keyboard, underneath the keys, the residues and dust and all kinds of stuff. You can see obviously a lot of dust right here. So the first thing I would get is, what do you use to clean this with? Well, there's probably some different kinds of things you could think of. I found that this tool here happens to be very good. What is this? Is just like a brush for like hair clippers. You know what I'm saying? So if you've had a pair of hair clippers, and it's probably going to mess it up if you use it a bit. It's going to kind of fray them out a little bit. But if you kind of fit these bristles in between here, you have to kind of maybe at first the bristles will work fine, but after they fray out, you have to kind of slip them down in there. Well, might even get a good amount of those bristles in between. This ain't the best example, but you're going to be able to get a lot of stuff loose from in there, debris, and then you can vacuum out the dust with a duster brush. See, so once I got those bristles in between there pretty good, or at least most of them, I can run it along there and loosen up all kinds of debris and dirt that might have built up in an older keyboard, especially, right? And then I'll take a vacuum, and let me see if I can grab it. I have it right here. And then we'll go ahead and vacuum it really good. Turn it upside down, which I'm not going to do right at the moment because I'm holding the camera. But maybe you can see how this would be effective for really helping you to get in between the keys. So, like you said, I'm not turning it upside down right at the moment. I'm going to do that in a moment. But just to show you a tool that seems to be really good, simple little tool that you might have around the place, or maybe you can get access to a bristle like this that is kind of flat, normally flat, like when you get it new. So hopefully this helps. Let me know if you do this, or you have another method you'd like to share with us here. Certainly appreciate you tuning in, and of course invite you to like and subscribe if this helped you out. Thanks so much. See you next time.